5 minus 15 gives us negative 10. And again here we have 5 minus 15. So negative 10 times negative 10, which equals 100. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have one subtraction, one multiplication, and one parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis, we have one subtraction. We need to pay attention that here we have a multiplication, because in mathematics, when a number is placed next to parentheses, it means multiplication, and we usually don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. Okay, so first we have to do this parenthesis, and after this parenthesis we have one subtraction and one multiplication. In PEMDAS, multiplication comes before subtraction. So first this parenthesis, then this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. If you do this subtraction before this multiplication or this parenthesis, it is wrong. So first this parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis we have 5 minus 15, which gives us negative 10. Okay, so 5 minus 15, then times negative 10. In this step, first we have to do this multiplication. Okay, negative 15 times negative 10 gives us positive 150. Okay, so 5 plus 150, which equals 155. This is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 155.